Hi, welcome to this edition of the Bolt-On Effect. Today's key is in the advanced scheduling and appointment reminders to vehicle owners. The biggest takeaway here is to make sure that you include vehicle owners in the knowledge that you're trying to transfer to them. The last thing vehicle owners want is any surprises.
When using the Bolt-On software, you have the ability that when you do a job with a customer today and you hit print for a loop sticker, that loop sticker not only prints out on the machine to put a reminder in the customer's windshield, but at the same time it looks at the ticket and any work that has a repeating occurrence, like air filters being checked once a year every 15,000 miles, all that will automatically be put in the calendar in your management system. And what that is key is that we're keeping the customer in the flow. Each time they come back and show them, it's not a surprise and they can prepare for it. On the other side of this is that all these recommendations, things that we're putting into the calendar, well, we will be sending an automatic reminder out for that next oil change a week in advance via text. They will be coming back and that they will receive this text message. They're more apt to hit the letter C and confirm that appointment. And when they hit that letter C and send that back as a text to the shop, it tells the shop that this customer said, yeah, I'm coming in at that time. And the other advantage that the shop has is they can look at their calendar and they can manually either send out a reminder text to a customer that hasn't responded, or they can always pick up the phone and say, hey, we've got an appointment set for you, can you make it? The key piece, keeping the recommendations in front of the customer and letting them know that they have a repeat visit coming up.
So the key here is keeping customers in the loop. Never have them go through anything that surprises them. Stay tuned for more episodes of the Bolt-On Effect.